reporting, sometimes an assessment is brought in all together without splitting it out by grade level. IXL data is one of those examples. If you go into our district assessments and you look at the IXL diagnostic, search for the current year, and starting in the winter of 2022, you will see all of the different both overall math level and ELA level, as well as the domains. You can check off any of these columns to be able to see the data, and you can see there's 2,032 students included in this data. I'm going to first start by swatching out any students that don't have data, which leaves me with those 2,032. But I am seeing students of all different grade levels in buildings. So if you're someone who has building level or district level data, you'll want to sometimes bring that down to just looking at students who are in your building or a specific grade level. And you can do that a number of ways. First, you may want to add the column in to show the student's current grade and apply that. That's going to help you look and search for what you want, even if you keep them all in here. You can adjust that to sort by grade level as well. You can also add student filters. So I can come in here under geographical information, and I can go to the School of Instruction, and I can specifically pick North Hills or Sinking Springs or Central York Middle School and be able to do that. I can add in specific teachers. So if I'm looking for just teachers within a grade level, I can do that as well. And so it will help me to use, I can just say, hey, I'm just looking for North Hills data right now. I'm just looking for those 614 students. I can apply that filter, and now I go from having all of the students that I had before to just the 531 students. It's interesting that that number, I think, is different than what was in as listed as North Hills, but we can check that later. And then again, I can sort this A to Z so that if I wanted to look at moving through from 4th grade on up through 6th, or if I wanted just a specific grade level, I can continue to add student filters, choose specific groups of learners that I'd like to look at. But that should help you in getting the information that you want out of there. So not only do we see for IXL now that overall data, but those individual domains, and be able to see where strengths and weaknesses lie.